Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to delete Instagram messages. So for this, go for your message option. Then if you go for all this and you can just go for delete. Another way, you can just delete one message from conversation. If I go for this, hold on this video and you can just unsend it and this message will be deleted for everyone. So this is how you can delete messages on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.